Away from the noise of the city, hidden deep within the mountains, nature offers us its finest treasures. Today, I'm making something truly special. We call it heavenly tofu. These emerald green leaves are the heart of this dish. After a thorough wash, we hand crush them in warm water until we get this rich, green essence. The real secret lies in this, straw ash water. It's a natural technique passed down through generations to help the juice set into a perfect jelly. No chemicals, just pure nature.
A few moments later.
Look at that, beautiful, translucent green blocks. You can enjoy them savory with chili oil, or turn them into a refreshing dessert with milk and fresh fruits. And for a sweet treat, I mixed the green tofu with fresh fruits and cold milk. Seasoned it with spicy chili oil and garlic for a bold, savory kick. After a long day, there's nothing more peaceful than sharing a meal from the earth with the ones you love. A true gift from the mountains to our table.